Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear history on MetaTrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. Clearing history can be useful if you want a cleaner platform, a fresh workspace, or you want to remove locally stored history files from your MetaTrader 5 installation. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar, where you'll find several options. At the top of the screen, click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various file management options that give you access to important folders and settings within MetaTrader 5. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Open Data Folder. This action is crucial because it takes you directly to the location where MetaTrader 5 stores all its data, including your trading history, charts, and other important files. The data folder is essentially the backbone of your MetaTrader 5 installation, so make sure you only delete the files needed for this tutorial. If you are unsure, you can also make a backup copy before deleting anything. Once the file browser opens, you'll see several folders. Look for and click on the Bases folder. This folder contains all the database files that MetaTrader 5 uses to store information about your trading activity and platform settings. Inside the Bases folder, you'll see another folder called Default. Go ahead and click on this folder to open it. The Default folder is where MetaTrader 5 keeps all the default configuration files and historical data for your account. Next, locate and click on the History folder. This is the specific folder that contains your historical trading data, including past trades, account statements, and transaction records. This is exactly what we need to clear. Now, here's an important step. You need to completely close your MetaTrader 5 application before proceeding. This is necessary because if the application is running, it may prevent you from deleting the files or could cause errors. Make sure the program is fully closed before moving forward. You can also check that it is not still running in the background. Once MetaTrader 5 is closed, go back to your file browser where you had the History folder open. Now, select all the files and folders inside the History folder. You can do this by clicking inside the folder and pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything at once. With all the files selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove them. This action will delete the locally stored history files from MetaTrader 5, giving you a fresh start on the platform. You might see a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to delete these files. So just confirm the deletion. Only continue if you are sure you no longer need those local history files. Now open your MetaTrader 5 application again. When the platform launches, you'll notice that your previous local history has been cleared. The application will start fresh, without that stored historical data, which can be useful if you want to clean up your workspace or start tracking your performance from scratch. Keep in mind that some account information may still be available from your broker or server, depending on your account setup. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your history on MetaTrader 5. If this video helps you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.